In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Messenger to your Wix website, creating a seamless way for your visitors to get in touch with you effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your Wix website editor. This is your main hub where you can control all the elements of your site, customize layouts, and add engaging features to provide an interactive user experience. Now, open a new tab and head over to elfsight.com, a fantastic resource that offers a variety of website widgets. Once there, click on the Widgets tab in the menu. This will direct you to a wide selection of different widgets that you can integrate into your site. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger to find the widget you need. Upon typing, you'll be directed to the relevant match from ElfSight's library. Now, click on the Facebook Chat widget. This selection will set you up to create a widget tailored specifically for offering a Facebook Messenger option on your site. Next, click on the option to create a widget for free. This is a state-of-the-art way to enhance your website without any financial investment. You'll now be asked to choose a template. There are various designs available to fit the look and feel of your website's branding, so choose one that complements your site the most. Once you've picked the right template, click on Continue with this template. Here comes an essential step. Make sure to edit the template to include your specific business information and make any design tweaks to further harmonize it with your website's theme. After you've personalized the widget, click on Add to Website for free. This is where it gets exciting as you're now integrating this tool into your site. Next, select Publish to set everything in motion. To make this tool even more accessible, opt for the free plan, which keeps costs down while still offering powerful features and functionality. Once you've secured the plan, go ahead and click Copy Code. Remember, this snippet of code is the key to connecting the Facebook Messenger widget directly to your site. Now, navigate back to your Wix editor. You'll want to focus on adding elements to your site. Click on Add Elements, then look for the Embed option. Go to Embed Code, and further click on Embed HTML. This is where you'll paste the code you previously copied. Finally, click on Update or Publish within Wix to finalize the changes and bring your enhancements live. Voila! Your Wix website now offers Facebook Messenger as a communication tool for visitors, streamlining their way of connecting and engaging with you. This simple integration not only amplifies your site's capability, but also provides an invaluable communication tool, strengthening your relationship with users. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.